It's all about Mercury today, tomorrow, and Saturday. And there's like a beautiful opportunity in there if you can turn away from the chaos and look at what's hopeful and possible. Red Robe Astrology for September 11th. So the Sun and Jupiter are coming together in a sextile today. That is conscious awareness and everything that's promised in the form of your good birthright of abundance and prosperity and feelings that you can expand and, make yummy things, even though the outside world is a little crazy. Now, this happens late at night, like near midnight tonight, so it bleeds into tomorrow, and then there's more Mercury stuff, and the Sun and Mercury come together on Saturday. I get a little ahead of myself. Back to today, that expansion energy is hopeful and yummy, but it's a sextile, which means if you're like doom scrolling and focusing on the chaos, you won't enjoy the possibility of today. Mercury conjunct the South Node today. It's not going to make that easy because this is a transit that brings like bumpy gatherings, meetings that are, out of obligation rather than flow. It just puts a little stress in our movement and transportation. Now, the moon's in Taurus, ruled by Venus, so grounded and stable. There's a trine to the Sun and Mercury. This is fabulous since the Sun and Mercury are gathering. It sets off these 3 days with some possibility of clarity. There's more sextiles from the moon to Jupiter and the North Node. That means, again, if you pick up efforts that will bring you towards joy and possibility, it's in the mix today. But again, you got to turn away from the chaos. There is a square from the moon to Venus, so there is like some obsession over relationships, and so these 3 days may be about your relationship life. Semi-squares to Neptune and Saturn put the blockages and confusion in the day. But again, can't stress this enough, and I'll say this today, tomorrow, and Saturday. Put some effort in to find the inner sense of what you want to create and just let the world be what it is. Have at it.